If you've removed your baseboard heater's backplate or need to raise your new baseboard covers, we've got your mounting solutions covered. Here's how to install mounting brackets to secure your Veil baseboard covers. If necessary, remove the previous backplate and any fasteners, leaving only the copper pipe and heating element. Measure the height, ensuring a 7.5-inch clearance from the floor for Atlas, Titan, Demi, or Echo, or 9 3/4 inches for Atlas XL. Mark bracket locations and screw them into the wall with the screws provided based on your cover length. Use our chart for guidance or evenly space them for custom lengths. For the strongest hold, try to locate the studs and screw directly into them. If studs aren't available, use anchors or plastic plugs for a stronger connection. Be sure to always maintain a 3/4 inch clearance between the floor and the bottom of the new cover for proper airflow. This applies to all covers offered by Veil. Now you can easily install your new Veil baseboard covers by simply slipping them into the mounting brackets. Ready to order? Visit our website today for modern and beautiful baseboard covers.